Imagine a world where your workflows learn and adapt, completing complex tasks all on their own. Let's build that reality by creating an AI agent using N8n. First, open N8n and create a new workflow. This is your agent's brain, where we'll define its logic and actions. Begin with a trigger node. This node initiates your workflow. Use a webhook to react to real-time events, or a cron node to schedule regular tasks. Next, add an OpenAI node authenticated with your API key. This node is the key to AI power, enabling your agent to understand and respond to requests. Configure the OpenAI node. Choose your desired model. Craft a prompt that clearly instructs the AI, and adjust the temperature to control the randomness of the AI's responses. Think of the prompt as the question or task you are giving to the AI. Adjust the temperature for a more or less creative response. Add a function node. This node allows you to process the AI's response, formatting it, or extracting relevant information for further actions. Within the function node, write JavaScript code to parse the AI's response. Extract the core information you need to make that info more usable. Finally, connect an action node. This node defines what your agent does with the AI's response. Send an email, update a database, or trigger another workflow. The possibilities are endless. For instance, connect an email node and automatically send an email with the generated content. Configure the subject and body of the email, pulling in data from the previous node. Activate your workflow. Your AI agent is now ready to learn, adapt, and automate tasks based on your instructions. You've just unlocked the power of AI within N8n.